The video is dedicated to help users remove the browser hijacking extension called Hockey Start. Hockey Start is the extension that is specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. This particular extension may operate both as adware and as browser hijacker. As adware, it would change some settings in your browser in order to display its own ads. As a browser hijacker, it may change the default search engine of your browser without your permission. So if you see that this Hockey Start has somehow become the part of your Google Chrome, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it. If you see any unwanted browser redirections through this Hockey Start extension, you need to remove this extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions, disable and remove this extension. Now, to be convinced that your system is free of other infections, we recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then once it gets installed, start examining your computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.